Racing gas is started with Bulacan. Break quickly to start. Hook shot is in between horses comes Pagkukol. Bubukol, then comes Dolce Ballerina, Super Spicy comes next, then followed by So in the Ring, running by the rail, now is pacing the music while in stand, and over is the only trailer by about 18 lengths of the little half-mile distance. They traveled with Lacan. Berlinka, and in second is Hook Shot. 5 lengths further back in third comes Pag-Ukol. Bubukol, Super Spicy, Dolce Ballerina is running by the rail, so entering. Then next on is facing the music while is standard now is still in last. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Lacan. Now by about 4 lengths, Hook Shot in second, Pag-Ukol. Bubukol now to take second, Dolce Ballerina, so endearing as they swing for home. Lacan now is strides away by about 8 lengths over Pag-Ukol. Bubukol, last 75 meters, Jackie Kelvin, Dete, Abobo on Lacan. Pag-Ukol, Bubukol second, then comes endearing, Dolce Ballerina, Super Spicy.
Alright, as expected, number 1, Lacan, crossing the wire first. Banderang tapos, won by Kelvin Betty Abobo. Then masisigundo, number 5, Pag-Ukol, Bubukol. So endearing, then Dolce Ballerina. 1-5-3-2.